What's up, guys? I hope you're well. Chadio here. Today we are checking out Morecambe and Weiss singing in the rain. Da 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 da. I'm singing in the rain. I'll let them take over from here.
Sing, just sing. Glorious feeling. So dark up above, the sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain.
Oh, got him.
Happy with rain. I'm just singing in the rain.
Told ya.
Dancing in the rain. Just singing and dancing in
Oh, so good. Got him again. He's just like whatever at this point.
I went through. Let me see what you've done for me. I went through. You! I went through her. That's not nice. I went through, folks.
just singing and dancing in the rain.
I figured that's what he was gonna do. All right, I guess that was it. I guess it's attached to something else, unless we'll watch this too.
Bring me sunshine in your smile. Bring me laughter all the while. In this world where we live, there should be more happiness. So much joy you can give to each brand new bright tomorrow. Make me happy through the years. Never bring me any tears. Let your arms be as warm as the sun from up above. Bring me fun, bring me sunshine, bring me love.
Oh, come on, come on! That better be Ronnie. Is that Ronnie Barker? Come on, be Ronnie Barker. That's actual woman.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. I'd like to thank all of you for watching me and my little show here tonight. If you've enjoyed it, then it's all been worthwhile. So until we meet again, good night, and I love you all.
She said it all for me. I love you all. You guys rock. Thank you for being a great part of my life. I appreciate it, each and every one of you. I like this. The singing in the rain, that was great. Oh yeah, just finally at the end, he's like, "Fuck this," and just dove right into the horse trough. But hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm enjoying these guys a lot. They're very, very funny, musically inclined, dancing. I love it a lot. I plan on checking out a lot more from these guys. But with that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Stay safe. And don't forget to wash your hands. Bye.